guys, welcome to the Tech Knowledge Hub with another video. Now I am starting the tutorial series on the Google Data Studio because I saw there is no more data available on YouTube regarding the Google Data Studio. So I just thought I will share my knowledge with you. So in this tutorial session, I will cover Data Studio from start to end in the coming days. So we will also going through the introduction part of today's session. And if you are new on the channel, so please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you will get notification about the latest video. So let's start with the session. So the agenda of today's session, in the first slide we will see the introduction of Google Data Studio, actually what is Google Data Studio, all these things. After that we will see about what are the features that provides the Google Data Studio to us, and after that what are the advantages of Google Data Studio when we are thinking about Google Data Studio. What are the components are available in Google Data Studio. After that, what are the opponents of Google Data Studio and difference between them. So let's start. So Google Data Studio is an online free data visualization tool for converting data into the customizable and informative report formats like reports and dashboards. So that help you to build interactive and customized dashboard by using Google Data Studio. So Google Data Studio introduced by Google on March 2016 as a part of the Enterprise Google Analytics 360 team. So in May 2016, Google announced a free version of Google Data Studio for the individual person and small sizes of team. So the Google Data Studio, you can easily report on the data from the wide variety of sources without knowing any programming languages. And you can also connect the data sets such as databases including BigQuery, MySQL, Amazon Redshift, and other PostgreSQL, Google marketing platforms such as including Google Ads, Analytics, and you can also fetch the data from YouTube as well. So we use the Data Studio to track the key APIs for the client, so we will get the more visualized trend and compare performance over time. And for your kind information, Google Data Studio has 800 plus datasets are available in Google Data Studio. From 640 plus data connectors are available in Data Studio, so you can connect your data from any sources from any connection, and this is free of cost. So what are the features of Google Data Studio? So first of all, we can create the interactive dashboards and report by using Google Data Studio. So Google Data Studio has access of multiple data sets, collection sources, and Google Data Studio comes with the second performance driven in memory of BI engine. So Google Data Studio has a separate BI engine, so it is easy to understandable for viewer by using the interactive data visualization, like different type of charts and graphs are available in Data Studio. So you can create a different visualization by pinning them into the page. So Google Data Studio has a real-time collaboration, so you can share the report with the other people, so they can also edit report and communicate with the report. So it is very easy to use. So Google Data Studio gives you the feature, just drag and drop to the page. Like suppose you create one visualization, you need to just drag and drop data into the visualization. According to the requirement, the visualization will be created. After that, you can also schedule the reports according to the need. You can customize your start date and deadline as the notification. After that, Google Data Studio has various charts and graphs, so we will explore in the upcoming session, so no need to worry about that. For your kind information, Google Data Studio supports 20 plus different types of charts and graphs. So what are the advantages of Google Data Studio? So first of all, Google Data Studio is the free tool that accessible and convenient for anyone to use, and it is also user friendly and very easy to understand. So automated report with the real-time data, manually formatting report, because exploring the data will be very time consuming many times. So you can connect the multiple data sources as we was discussed in previous slide. There are 800 plus data sets are available in Google Data Studio, so you can connect your data from more variety of sources. So there are also some campaign filters, account location, data range filters are available in Data Studio. That will be very helpful when you created a report or a dashboard or something like that. After that, field for calculation. So basic math function for statistical operation cases and statements. So suppose you have to find the maximum value, minimum value, average value, or a sum of the values. So you can also find with the basic math function which is available in Google Data Studio. So drill down capabilities. Google Data Studio empowers you to drill down into your data with all within a single element. So drill down capabilities that takes the user from a more general view of the data into the more specific view of the data view in just one click. After that, Google Data Studio also support the ad hoc reporting. So ad hoc, it means it is made or done suddenly for a particular purpose. And so we can say that the ad hoc reporting is the process used to quickly create a report and was needed. After that, the last element is the data mashups. So data mashup is nothing but the integration of two or more data set in a single graphical interface. So that is called data mashups. So component details of Google Data Studio. So you can explore any kind of data without being tied into the single workflow, because it has a variety of data sources are available in Google Data Studio, and you can perform any kind of analysis on any data within a same umbrella using the poly components. And you can draw from the large library of components that allow you to clean, filter, analyze, and visualize the data in different formats, or different formats also available for the visualization, so that allow you to add your own components to the workflow. So Google Data Studio allow you to add your own component to the Google Data Studio, because the Google Data Studio provides the fully customizable dashboard to you. So you can also add any desired component as per your requirement, because Google Data Studio provides the workflow customizations at the end. For that, difference between Looker and Data Studio. So the Google Data Studio, it is easy to use, or we can say it is user friendly, and it has a separate BI engine, because it is self-serve BI solution enabling ad hoc reporting. So as we was discussing previous slide. So ad hoc reporting means it is created for quickly for any purpose. So with the help of that, you can analyze data. You can also perform the data mashup across the 800 plus data sets are available in Google Data Studio. And there are 640 plus connectors also available in Google Data Studio. And when we talk about Looker, so Looker is a modern enterprise platform for the business intelligence and analytics that help organization to build data rich experience and tell out to the every part of their business. So it is Looker is also a product of Google. So we will discuss in the Looker tutorial session about the more about the Looker. Looker is also a very good data visualization tool, and there are some feature which is present in Looker, but which is not present in Google Data Studio. Like first of all, the Google Data Studio is free for everyone, and Looker has a cost around $300 per month. So when we talk about the integration and data sources, so both are support the data source and integration, but the Google Data Studio support the SQL, no SQL as well, but Looker only support the SQL. When we talk about the on-premises deployment, so Google Data Studio does not support the on-premises deployment, but the on-premises deployment feature is available in Looker. So both are support the basic data modeling, but when we talk about the advanced data modeling, Looker is very good option for you. And predictive analysis is also not available in Looker, but predictive analysis is available in Looker, but which is not available in Google Data Studio. So that's it for the introductory session. In the next session, we will look into the interface of Google Data Studio. So first we will look where everything is available in Google Data Studio. So if you are new to channel, so please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you will get the notification about the latest video. And thank you so much.